O, dito ba? Thank you.
How's your life now?
My life's doing good. I'm happy. What?
Kailan tayo magde-date?
Stop na. Ano?
Will I ever get it right? Will I ever take it slow? I'm always waiting for the call.
Like the whole day? Hindi pwede iba't ibang araw.
Day, one time lang. One time.
I mean,
One day lang. One visit.
oh my God. He doesn't want to go home yet. So, can't
Close
Thanks.
having a daydream.
And then, isa pong ice choco cream. Thank you. Oh, this
Tired of my old routines, but it's easier than breaking free. It's like I'm slipping through the hourglass, but I'm just laying here in the sand. And with my time is finally up, we're counting on my sins. Oh, I hate to shake the hand of the person that I could have been. And I close my eyes.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them, and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go, really have to.
sobrang init sa circuit ground. So, nagbiblio kami. Cute.
Ligaan ka, tapuan ng iyong mahala, mang di ka nag-iisa. Don't keep me waiting for us. Oh, I live to appreciate you. Take all the love that I give.
Jay! Sobrang daming tao.
Take it.
Okay lang, baby, wag na magbago. Dito ka lang, kung hindi sa aking piling. Ano?
Zip about it, pero matagal na nilang nilakad. So parang it wasn't these parts, the
Yeah.
latter part na nag-convince to them. It was
Matagal
the
na.
first few parts
Yeah.
that convinced them na develop a new building for me.
Hi!
Go
Excited!
Go De Leon.
Got our food.
Secure. Dito na kami sa Premier Suites. Chelsea.
Oh my God!
Challenge and loss. 5-minute makeup challenge. Just how do you
Galing mo!
Hindi, pag nanalo yung DLSU dito, sila na panalo for this match.
Yeah. And same with kids.
Nanalo. So, tiebreaker na tayo. Mag-bedtime.
Oo. Walang escalator. Nakita na. Guys, sama kayo.
Iba, malaki sana.
Hi! Kasi yung iba. Hi! Happy to vlog so. Feeling mo ba? Mag-anytime fitness kami. Nakapolo.
Ay, tatanungin ko na rin pala kung anong track.
ABM? Ganun? ABM, STEM,
Hindi, ako for example, stat, data analytics. Ganun.
Oh.
May operations, finance.
This is Jericho. Sabi mo from what school ka?
Hi guys, I'm Jericho. A graduating student.
Fiona, say hi. Hello. And Pao. Pagod na kami. Kay Jericho.
Ako na, uwi na ako.
May klase pa yan sa Diliman.
Napapasok.
Ng 2:30. Sabihin mo kung anong subject.
Statistical pharmacology.
Usually, so niya, pumasok ka. So yung advantage nyo lang,
Bali na
pag
kayo.
hire ka na mas maaga, may time kayo lang enjoy life, bago lumakas. So you could
So funny.
Ako ganun ako sa batch ko. Ako
25
yun.
birthday ko. Really?
So may 2 months ako hinihintay. Pero ano naman, assurance na.
Advance happy birthday. It's next day pasok. Happy birthday. Oo nga. Happy birthday. Ay, kama na kami. Ikaw din? Okay. Say hi sa vlog. I don't see myself.
Sino siya mo?
Tignan. So, how was your...
Ang dami ko ng content sa vlog mo.
Wala na nagagawa na namin TikTok.
Tapos wala kaming bayan.
to? Ano ba yan? Legit to? Ano? Artist fee ako. Oo nga. Anong difference ng mga schools natin? From the Ateneo. Hindi girl. How I wish. JSEC, kasi tambayan ng oil. Tatawag namin JSEC, kay JSEC. Tapos, kapag kailangan ko mag-lock-in, like study talaga, ay, so doon ako kumakain, ganyan. Or like, pag ayaw kong ginagulo ko ng mga tao, pwede ba, pumasok na, ayan, lasayan, pwede pumasok sa loob ng wala kang, mag-ano ka lang, hindi pa ako nakakadaya ng tap. Pero lahat nakalagdian yan, lasaris. Ay, diba? Tapos, when it comes to cross-dressing, okay din sa inyo. Sa amin din, medyo naging open na rin yung mga tao. Friend namin na isko, nandun eh. Pero may hindi pumasok na yun. Jericho, ikaw na. Ano favorite mo sa UP?
Just Junior.
Ano yun?
Malaysian food.
Ako, Malaysian food. Yung entrep courses namin.
Ako Stat 1 for 8.
Ito, guys, mag-hi muna kayo sa vlog ko. Hi! Ito yung pinaka-idol ko sa lahat. Uy, grabe! Ano ba? Ano? Saan guys, mag-point out kami ni Pao.
Uy,
Saan? Ayun, punta dito. Pangit tayo.
Yaman ang
Saan ka pupunta?
pedat yan.
Grabe.
Wow! Saan yung vlog mo? I follow.
Baka, ano na tayo? Hindi. Papost ko sa sa IG story ko. May link. Kasama itong mga videos natin. Isa-stop kita. Kasama. Secret.
Very famous. Yung TikTok.
Uy, hindi.
Kaya doon tayo sa dog line. Doon sa sa lesser followers. Tinag-post
na kayo.
Yan, lagi mo lang naman. Bakala natin. Kasama ka.
Hi, Dom. Dom, ba't mo yung TikTok?
Hindi. Wait.
Because I white YouTube.
May nakaupo doon.
YouTube?
Yeah, pero ano lang.
medyo
Slice
Day,
lang.
day my life?
Transfer na lang.
Yeah.
Ba't yung sipa mo mag-edit?
Yun parang purpose ko document lang. Para may screenshot. So, pag na ako.
That's gonna...
Wala.
dito eh.
Wala. Guys,
Met ka.
nangaasar sila. Grabe yung fish. Oh, yeah. Ah. Yan, mismo. Americano. Wala ng ice, tunaw na. Are my kings and my God. Barag sa ako niya. Ilang ako yan, salam.
And yun lang, so this year, feeling ko I've been winning in a lot of aspects. So, very grateful ako about that. So, I'm already done with my college era. And I'll be graduating soon. Tatandaan ko, I was just so anxious about being able to graduate and enroll. So, but now, it's all over and I just have to go. I'm saying the following. We're cool. Moose beer.
Nagmas kami. Happy Mother's Day.
Salamat.
Si Kuya P. Diba check ko? Mga parang cafe doon na luma.
Halo, halo.
Red mango. Wow.
Shake drink.